Are you wondering if YouTube TV will bring back the MLB network? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain the likelihood of MLB network returning to the platform. If you're a baseball fan eager to catch games, analysis, and highlights, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, MLB Network is currently not available on YouTube TV, and there's no official confirmation that it will return anytime soon. The absence of MLB Network is likely due to complex licensing agreements between YouTube TV and Major League Baseball, as well as regional broadcasting restrictions. While YouTube TV offers some sports content through channels like ESPN and Fox Sports, MLB Network remains unavailable for now. That said, YouTube TV occasionally negotiates new deals, so it's worth keeping an eye on updates from the platform. In the meantime, if MLB Network is essential for you, consider subscribing to services like Hulu, plus Live TV, Sling TV, or streaming directly through MLB.tv. If this video helped you understand the current status of MLB Network on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.